Elon Musk is a South African-born American entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder and CEO of SpaceX, a company that designs and manufactures rockets and spacecraft. SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transport services company founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. The company has developed the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 launch vehicles, both designed to be reusable, and the Dragon spacecraft, which is flown into orbit by the Falcon 9 launch vehicle to supply the International Space Station, ISS, with cargo and bring back cargo to Earth. SpaceX's goal is to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. The company has also signed a number of contracts with NASA to provide cargo and crew transport services to the ISS. In addition, SpaceX has developed a number of advanced technologies, such as the Raptor rocket engine, which is designed to be one of the most powerful rocket engines ever built, and the Starship spacecraft, which is intended to be a fully reusable spacecraft that can transport people and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Musk is also the co-founder and CEO of Neuralink. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company that was founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company is developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, which are devices that can be implanted in the brain to allow communication between the brain and external devices. The goal of Neuralink is to improve human cognitive abilities and to treat brain disorders. One of the main technologies being developed by Neuralink is the neural lace, which is a thin mesh that can be implanted in the brain and used to monitor and stimulate brain activity. The neural lace is intended to be able to provide a high-bandwidth connection between the brain and external devices, such as computers or prosthetic limbs. In addition to its work on implantable BMIs, Neuralink is also developing technology to non-invasively measure brain activity, with the goal of creating portable, high-resolution brain monitoring devices. Overall, Neuralink is at the forefront of the field of neurotechnology and is working on a number of exciting and ambitious projects. In addition, Musk is the founder and CEO of Tesla Incorporated. Tesla Incorporated is an American multinational corporation that specializes in electric vehicles, energy storage and solar panel manufacturing based in Palo Alto, California. Founded in 2003, the company specializes in electric cars, lithium-ion battery energy storage, and residential photovoltaic panels, through the subsidiary company known as Tesla Energy. Tesla Motors is a public company that trades on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the symbol Tesla. The company's founder, Elon Musk, has said that the goal of Tesla is to help reduce dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change by producing electric vehicles and renewable energy products. The company's first car, the Tesla Roadster, was released in 2008 and was followed by the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Tesla's vehicles are known for their sleek designs, high performance, and advanced technology. In addition to its electric vehicles, Tesla also manufactures energy storage systems for homes, businesses, and utilities, as well as solar panel systems for residential and commercial use. The company has installed over 2 gigawatts of solar panels and has delivered over 1 million electric vehicles to customers worldwide. All three of these companies are growing rapidly. SpaceX has made several successful launches and is at the forefront of the commercial space industry. Neuralink has made significant progress in the field of neurotechnology and has conducted several successful implantation surgeries. Tesla has become one of the most successful and well-known electric vehicle manufacturers in the world, and its energy storage and solar panel systems are also gaining popularity.